Hello everybody, welcome to another video. I'm doing a bit of an adventure today, an ambitious one. I'm about just over 3 miles in. I'm doing a bit of a bike ride and I took the opportunity to this first really big hill, so I thought that would be a good time to start the video. I'm quite knackered already, but I'm almost at the top. I climbed out of the valley from home. I just got to follow this section, which is just all uphill for about 200-300 yards, maybe a bit more. Then it's sort of up and down, and then I come rather steeply down to Llanrhaeadr, which is where Lake Vyrnwy is situated, or pretty much. My plan from there is to see how I feel when I get there. Oh, it's windy, but to bike around the lake as I've done before, and then from there I want to take a shortcut over, and it might be a bit ropey because some maps say it's a road and some don't, but I'm on the bike so I should be okay. Yeah, from there I head over to the village of Llanrhaeadr, which you'll have seen in a video about a year ago when I biked the Llanrhaeadr waterfall. And indeed I intend to go there as well. Oh my god, right, I'm gonna plough on up this hill now, and I'll bring you back in a bit. Just on that hill, I believe that's the church of Llanrhaeadr. So that's where we are. I'll bring you into the map now to show you where we've come from and how far we've yet to go. It's a fair while. Okay, so we've left the town of Llanrhaeadr here. Excuse the wind. We've come up this road here, then we've taken this left turn there, followed this road up past Pont Raiden, Punt, all the way up here. It's a gradual climb all the way this way. Whoops. Still up here, that's where the phone box was. I don't know if I filmed that bit. Also, excuse the car. It's quite a busy road. I guess people are going up the lake today. And we're coming up over here now. This was the steep climb that I pushed the bike up, where that wooded area is. And then this is where we are now. So we've got a bit of a downhill to go. And then we keep going. All up this way, round here, down there into Llanrhaeadr, and that's the lake. So, fair bit to go yet. I'll bring you back. We'll look at the map again when we get to the lake and we look at the next section. I've made it to the lake. There's a lovely little downhill bit where we come over the top of the mountains over there, which I recorded because it was fun. And then this bit up here has been a gradual slog and it's longer than I remember. The bit over the top was longer than I remember as well. So yeah, so it's just 9 o'clock now. So it's taken me just over an hour and a half to get here. I imagine it's going to take even longer to go around the lake now. But I'm going to take a little breather here for a sec. All right, it's just started spitting rain. Here we are on the dam. Just there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around here, take a right, past the boathouse, follow the road, Llanrhaeadr, even, past this little waterfall. Just keep going around. Sorry, the picture's not great, the reception's not great here. Around this little nibbly bit, far end of the lake, then up this long bit, and then back down the other side, around here, all the way back down to here, and then we head off back down to the village. Only this time we're going to go up this road up here, and then this yellow road is where the track is going to be that I'm going to try and take. As you can see, it sort of becomes a non, but we'll see about that when we get to there. A mark off my helmet, look. Right, I'm not going to film too much about the journey around the lake. Oh, look at that thing. It's a heron. There he goes. Fair play. Yeah, I'm not going to film too much about the trip around the lake because I did that maybe 6 weeks ago, if that. So check out that video. But if anything comes to me on the way around, we'll go and we'll do that. What's in here? Cans. And recording equipment. Right, yeah. So I'm going to get on the bike, go around the lake. I'll bring you back when we get to that section, if not before. But yeah, that dodgy bit I'm a bit worried about. But let's get this done first, because look at it. I'll be honest, cycling around the lake has been really hard. It's quite flat, so there's no uphills, but likewise, there's no downhills, so you don't get a break. Right, it is 25 to 11 now, and I've just stopped in this picnic area. Still got this line from the helmet. So it's really quiet up here today. There's a bit of traffic, but not many people about. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have a quick lunch break here. I need to get some charging done on my phone as well, and I need to change my water bottle around because this one's pretty much empty now. Yeah, so I'm going to stop here for a little bit and have a little bite. You're right there, pal. Robin seeds sunflower seeds, because I've got sunflower seeds. Sunflower seeds. This is out of a ration pack. Well, they're a bit bland. Let's see if the birds like them. I guess we'll find out. Hey, little guy. Oh. Oh, hello. Right, the lake has ruined me. The smallest of uphills now. I mean, I could probably tackle that normally, but my legs are knackered. I'm gonna see how I go. I'm gonna get to Llanrhaeadr. When I get there, I might decide not to go up the waterfall because I'll check, but I think it's 4 miles up and then 4 miles back down. And the back down would be nice enough, I'm sure, but the 4 miles up might not be worth it. Sloppy! Right, okay, so here we are. I'll be honest, this section that I've just done... Oh, hoverfly. This section that I've just done, so that's where I stopped for my lunch type... Yeah, the zoom's terrible, but that's where I stopped for lunch. Was sort of late breakfast. Bike down here, the wind's blowing straight in my face the whole way now because it is. So that's hard work. We've come across this road here. Have we? Yeah. Then we turned up just up the B4396. Followed it up this way, bit of a climb. We're just on here now, so I'm gonna head up here. Hopefully follow this path or route all the way through because I want to come out. And I don't know how steep it's going to be, but I want to come out here so we can hook up with Llanrhaeadr here. Shortcut down this yellow road here, take the right, up this yellow road past Evelwag and Kynant, and over into Llanrhaeadr. That's the plan. Okay, so yeah, this is the road now. I can see why the Street View car didn't come up here. If it stays like this, I'm going to be pretty good. Although I think I may shatter some of my bones. Okay, so a little update. This isn't really a road for cycling on. It's a footpath though, so I'm going to follow it. Where I can, I'll ride my bike, but it's hard work on this. So I'm just going to walk it. And it looks like we're cresting this hill over here, there, and then hopefully it'll be downhill after that, because I'm knackered. Oh, the waterfall's looking less and less likely, if I'm honest. I've just had a really bad bout of cramp in my left, whatever that muscle or tendon is that goes down towards the right hand side of your left knee, at the bottom of the quad. If it's a quad, I don't know my muscles. But we'll see how we go. We get a bit of a rest on the downhill, so I'll make the final decision when I get to Llanrhaeadr. He just roosted in those trees. I just met 2 cyclists coming the other way, so they pretty much confirmed what I thought, is that you can get through this way, which is good, so I don't have to turn back because there's a bit of a way around otherwise. But also I'm less worried about being on a bike. Crest this hill. It's been slow. I'll be honest, I've been climbing since all the way back down there. But yeah, so I don't know, that cramp's gone now, so I'm a little bit more optimistic about old waterfalls. Decision when we get to Llanrhaeadr, that's the way. I can't do it. I've hit mile 29. I've just come up this, which it's really hard to tell how steep that is, but it's like that. Well, maybe that. So I think I'm going to stop here, have some lunch. The sun's come out to burn me to cinders. I didn't think this would be an option today. Not an option, even a danger. I thought thunderstorms and rain was a danger today. Right, I'll get over to Llanrhaeadr, and then from there I'm going to head back and then over Brythdir, which is another big climb. Not quite as steep as that, but a lot longer. And it's all downhill from there. I'm going to listen to my body. My hips are aching, and my knees and my joints. I've had a bad cramp, it's past now, and that downhill was lovely. But, oh, pigeon. But I just the thought of that road today, especially with the sun coming out, it's going to be hell. I'll link the video of when I went up to the waterfall this time last year, or, well, I think it was August time, but I'll link that so you can take a look if you want. But yeah, I was stopping, cars were mental. It's just the thought of doing 4 miles gradually uphill to get there, to then come straight back down. So I'm gonna shave those 8 miles off. But that was always an option as part of the plan, was I'd get to the lake. If I felt good about it, I'd go around the lake. In hindsight, I probably shouldn't have gone around the lake, and then I would have done the waterfall. But I've done more mileage doing the lake, so yeah, it's all about the Strava miles. But yeah, I'm gonna get something to eat here. I'm absolutely ravenous, so that's what I'm gonna do. Well, it was nice to get this helmet off, and even nicer to get a load of food eaten. And because I'm not trying to pace it anymore, I've eaten quite a lot. I'm going to head down into the village of Llanrhaeadr now. So I've got to go over this hill, keep going a little bit, and then it's a steep drop in. And then what I'll do is I'll do my sign off from the bridge before the climb up Brythdir. Because all I'll be doing up there is pushing the bike up, because I can't cycle up hills anymore. And then after that, it's just a long downhill to home. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I'll see you in a bit. Sloppy! Sloppy! It was definitely a good idea to avoid the waterfall road today. If I'm going to do that, I should definitely have done that first. The lake was quite quiet, but I guess people are going to the waterfall, they'll drive up, don't they? And it's only a single track lane, so there was anarchy just in the village there. You might have seen it. That's why I took the detour through the churchyard. There you go. Thank you very much for watching the video. If you've enjoyed it, please leave a thumbs up, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe down below. I'll post the little cards for those other videos. They'll have been throughout the video, so yeah. Brain's not working now, it's just gone. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. That's not what that hand's doing either. Take care. Bye.